Okay, good morning. Thank you for joining the session today as we will be sharing HiveMQ in the real world, a success story that we'll be sharing that is used in the automotive environment in the manufacturing line for Daimler. Daimler actually is a German automotive manufacturer which is well known for their premium brand of Mercedes-Benz car, the Daimler Trucks and also the Daimler Buses. Manufacturing quality products is the core value for Daimler brands. So that is why their expectation on their automobiles is very high in terms of the quality and also to perform a flawless production process. This particular case studies that we will be going through, the implementation of HiveMQ in Daimler takes place in Germany, where they actually apply HiveMQ broker together with MQTT in one of the application that is heavily used in their environment, which is called the VDS, which is an vehicle diagnostic system, which is an important system for Daimler in the manufacturing line. Okay, let us move on. There are some key challenges that Daimler face in their production line, and this is where HiveMQ actually comes in to help it later that I'll be sharing in a while. Some key challenges that they are facing is that, like what I mentioned, the VDS is their vehicle diagnostic system, which is a critical process or application in their manufacturing line. If the VDS go down for more than 10 minutes, the manufacturing line may stop. This is because the VDS fulfills some core functionality like sorry, like processing the electric and electronic components, such as calibrating the sensors, testing the flashlight, updating the firmwares, and also sometimes personalizing the keys that will generate to the vehicle. And besides that, the VDS also generate test documentation required for regulatory requirement of the destination that vehicle will be going. So therefore, if the system actually goes down, it will be having a very much great impact to the production line. And how actually it works, each instance of the VDS include multiple test devices on the factory floor that are connected to a HiveMQ broker and located at the factory. On the server side, a series of microservices connected to MQTT clients and also the HiveMQ broker. And these microservices act as a front end of various information database and the enterprise IT system in order to fulfill the VDS commissioning and testing documentations in that particular manufacturing line. So besides actually fulfilling the VDS, make sure everything is actually on smooth operation, Daimler also require a reliable messaging platform for the factory and also connected to the cloud connectivity. So this is why one of the main reasons Daimler chose HiveMQ and MQTT. It is a reliable, it is a reliable platform to operate, where HiveMQ and MQTT, it is operate under the factories. And also mentioned earlier, if the VDS goes down for more than 10 minutes, the assembly line may stop. However, if the test devices may go around the factory floor and sometimes could lose connectivity, because as and when there are devices around the factory moving around, sometimes the network connectivity may not be so stable. Like it could be an issue like blind spot in the factory where it actually can't detect those signals. And that is where Daimler saw the benefits of MQTT publish and subscribe protocol, and also the quality of services to ensure the test device continue to behave properly in the production floor. MQTT and HiveMQ has an advantage. That is a simple protocol, which is a very, it takes a very lightweight overhead, which is fast, efficient, easy way to share the information between the factory floor as well as the enterprise IT systems. Daimler considered also the MQP and also OPC UA but found this is too a bit complicated and heavy overweight in their requirement. So in addition, unlike HTTP, MQTT also allows for broadcast message, which is useful when the VDS needed to be communicate or all the test device. Okay. Besides like a reliable messaging platform, the technology of MQTT being a lightweight and easy to use, one of the reasons that Daimler chose over HiveMQ is also the professional service team and also the enterprise support team, which actually being a very professional and informative team to actually helping up Daimler in implement the HiveMQ and the MQTT broker in the production floor environment in sustaining their um, automotive industry's process. So this is one testimonial that has been given by the VDS operation team of Daimler, which they mentioned that they have been using for HiveMQ for more than 4 years. In terms of the broker, it have never gone down and it is quite solid and reliable. So this is where a system should be in place like this to actually make it more sustainable and also giving a much more confidence to the customers that the system is very reliable in sustaining in helping their business. Okay, so as a result of this HiveMQ implementation in the Daimler environment, they have successfully rolled out 24 factories around the world with this technology and about 10,000 testing devices connected in generating about 470 millions of messages per month. So this is quite a good, quite a huge number of connectivities to the broker in publishing and subscribing the message. Okay, so actually today is a short sharing of the success story of HiveMQ, and we'll be also sharing a series of different success story across our event throughout the year. So do let us know if there's any questions and also informations to be shared out. You can actually reach out to Matrix Invent and also myself, Cheryl. So in terms of if you have any questions or any sharing, if you wanted to get in touch with us. Okay, this will be the sharing of our success story today. So do let us know if there's any questions or informations to be shared further.